I will be mentioning 5 exoplanets in detail that have the possibility of having life. First, we have the closest exoplanet from Earth, which is known as Proxima Centauri b. It is 4.2 light-years away from Earth, which may seem close, but that is still 24 trillion miles. According to Space.com, it would take 80,000 years for the Voyager probes to go there at the same speed as the spacecraft are currently going. Aside from its distance from Earth, something interesting about Proxima Centauri b is that it is located in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This is the distance from a host star where it is not too cold, nor too hot for water to exist on the surface. In addition, the exoplanet is similar in many ways to Earth. Since it is so similar, it could potentially have life. However, being located in the habitable zone is not the only requirement for having life forms. There is still a lot we do not know about it, like if it even has an atmosphere or not. Also, the age of this planet is unknown and it likely has no moons. Furthermore, Proxima Centauri b orbits a red dwarf star, which can be very unpredictable. They can have huge solar flares and coronal mass ejections. The next exoplanet that could have life is Ross 128b. It is in the habitable zone as well, and is a super-Earth. A super-Earth is a type of exoplanet that is bigger than Earth, but is smaller than gas giants. It orbits an M-type star. Its mass is equal to 1.4 Earths, and Ross 128b's year is only 9.9 days. Its discovery was announced in 2017. Like Proxima Centauri b, it has similar characteristics to Earth. It is similar to the size of Earth, and may have a suitable temperature as well, and may have an environment that would be suitable for life. In addition, the star of this potentially habitable exoplanet is a red dwarf like Proxima Centauri b. This makes sense, as red dwarfs are the most common type of star. Red dwarfs are 70% of the stars in the Milky Way. Furthermore, this type of star is the dimmest and least warm star. They also live the longest. After Ross 128, we have Teegarden star b. Like all the other exoplanets I have mentioned so far, Teegarden star b is in the habitable zone. It is also possible that its atmospheric composition could support stable liquid water on the surface, which could have also allowed the development of life. It is located 12 light-years away, which is extremely close to our solar system in space terms. Teegarden star b is a super-Earth, like Ross 128b. Its radius is 1.02 times Earth's radius, and its mass is equivalent to 1.05 Earths. It was discovered in 2019, and it has an orbital period, or a year, of 4.9 days. The next exoplanet I will be covering is TOI 700d. This planet was the first planet in the habitable zone detected by the TESS telescope. TESS stands for Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. As well as the other 3 planets, it is also near Earth's size, and is 101.5 light-years away from us, which is close in space terms, but is over 600 trillion miles. TESS, which launched in April 2018, hunts for planets using the transit method, which looks for extremely small dips in the star's brightness when a planet passes in front of the star. This method was also used by NASA's Kepler telescope as well, which discovered thousands of the over 5,500 exoplanets confirmed. TOI 700d is only 20% larger than Earth, and completes one orbit around its star every 37 days. Furthermore, it receives 86% of the stellar energy that Earth gets from the Sun. However, it is possible that TOI 700d is tidally locked to TOI 700. This is bad, because it means that one side of the planet constantly faces the Sun for billions of years, and the other side faces darkness continuously for billions of years as well. This means that one side is likely extremely cold, and one side is extremely hot. Despite the fact that this is a bad sign, being tidally locked doesn't necessarily mean that the planet does not have life. In addition, there is most likely a region between the dark side of the planet and the light side where the temperatures are neither too hot nor too cold. The last exoplanet I will be mentioning in this video is Kepler 186f. Like all the other planets on this list, Kepler 186f is in the habitable zone, and is also very near Earth's size at only 10% larger than Earth. It is located 490 light-years away from us. Because of Kepler 186f's location in the habitable zone around its star, it's possible that the planet has an atmosphere that can help keep water in liquid form on the surface, which is vital for life on Earth, at least. However, it is at the edge of the habitable zone, so it is possible that the planet's water could freeze. Its larger size, however, could mean the planet has a thicker atmosphere, insulating the planet. Although scientists know that the planet is in the habitable zone, scientists don't know what the atmosphere consists of. All of these planets have a chance of having life, based on a lot of factors. However, we do not know for sure whether any of these planets have water or life. Hopefully, with more powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we can finally answer the question we have been asking ourselves for so long: are we alone in the universe? Subscribe for more.